So I want to do a quick tour of my black soldier fly larvae bin. So this is it, installed in my greenhouse. Right now I have no other plants here, it's a bit too early in the year, a bit too cold. But this should actually work really good for these guys because they want it a bit warmer. They're more active when they're warm. So let's give a demo of what's happening here. So this is just a Costco bin for I think $5-6, and I've done a couple of things on the outside. I've put this drain hole at the bottom with a little pipe. This thing is flush with the bottom on the inside, and I used some PVC pipe cement to glue it on. This here is the setup to collect the larvae when they are ready to crawl out. It's just a Costco coffee box with a hole in here and nothing inside right now, but you know, when they start getting ready they'll crawl out. And you can see there's a little lip inside where this attaches to. Just goes like this and clicks, and this will never fall. Right now on the inside, let's open it. I set this up yesterday, so it's still a bit early, but so the lid is just normal. I just cut one of these tabs off. They initially came like this, but the front one I removed so it's easier to open up. I put a couple of cardboard stacks here so adult soldier fly larvae can come up here and nest and lay their eggs. Now inside here, this is the big ramp I built from a piece of plywood, and I put a couple of this is actually a leftover drip edge on this, and I kind of bent it over together, and comes out on the end like this. And again, there is a little a lip to attach this container onto, so it clicks there securely. And you can actually see it, they're totally capable of crawling up. They're exploring their environment right now. So yeah, I guess they could climb up on steeper surfaces too. Let's see if we can see any of them in here. Oh yeah, they're all bunched up here, munching on something. You can see them, like, they're not overly active, but there's plenty of food for them here. Just one final note. I put these holes here, I drilled on 3 sides so that they get some ventilation, and I glued on some cardboard here with some adhesive. And this has a lot of purposes actually. So one, when these guys start crawling up, they don't have a direct shot to escape to the outside. 2, it actually keeps, they don't like light, and this keeps the light away from them when they're in here. So that's the second purpose. And third, if you actually have adult flies coming in here, they actually can put their eggs right on this paper. So that's a third function of this these stacks of cardboard here. So that's from day one. I'll report more as this progresses with some modifications over time and take it from here. So thanks for watching.